A vision of the future, insight, expertise, leadership, ecological responsibility, and the potential to multiply wealth. Prophecy Platinum Corporation is a Canadian-listed mining company chaired by John Lee, an entrepreneur born in Taiwan and educated in England and the United States. Despite global economic turmoil, since 2009, Mr. Lee's drive, focus, and experience in mining investments enabled him to raise $100 million to fund the aggressive expansion of Prophecy's resource portfolio throughout the world. Today, Prophecy Platinum controls a diverse portfolio of international mineral assets that includes platinum group metals, copper, and nickel. Conveniently located in the southwest of Canada's mining-friendly Yukon Territory, Prophecy Platinum's flagship Well Green project is rated as one of the largest undeveloped PGM deposits in Canada. The Well Green property has well-developed road access infrastructure. The site is just 15 kilometers by road from the Alaska Highway, a major transportation route to the Haines Deep Sea Port and the Asian markets beyond. In 2011, Prophecy obtained a new independent Well Green mineral resource estimate showing resource of platinum, palladium, and gold exceeding 1 million ounces indicated and 11 million ounces inferred. The deposit was also shown to contain an inferred 2.4 billion pounds of nickel and 2.2 billion pounds of copper. Starting just below the surface, the deposit is shallow and accessible through low-cost open-pit mining. In summer of 2012, Prophecy received the independently prepared NI 43-101 compliant preliminary economic assessment, pre-tax IRR of 32%, and pre-tax NPV of $2.4 billion based on 8% discount rate and 100% equity. The project is expected to produce concentrate of 2 billion pounds of nickel, 2 billion pounds of copper, and 8 million ounces of platinum, palladium, and gold over 37-year mine life. Official Well Green resource estimates are based on a comprehensive drilling operation consisting of over 700 holes, totaling more than 55,000 meters of drilling. Prophecy also identified a higher-grade, near-surface starter pit that is currently accessible via a 4-kilometer tunnel and suitable for bulk tonnage extraction. Sampling work has also turned out extensive occurrences of higher-grade exotic and sought-after PGM elements, such as rhodium, ruthenium, osmium, and iridium in concentrations rivaled only by those at Bushveld and Norilsk. The PEA anticipates that Prophecy produced platinum-bearing nickel concentrate at Well Green, which can then be trucked year-round to Haines Deep Sea Port and exported to Asia. Platinum group metals have a wide range of industrial and medical applications. Primary among these is usage within catalytic converters, which dramatically reduce vehicle emissions. Highly lustrous and of unsurpassed beauty, platinum group metals are also used to craft the finest jewelry. At approximately 14 million ounces, annual production of platinum group metals is just 16% that of gold and 2% of silver, making PGMs the most rare and valuable precious metals on Earth. Today, approximately 85% of the world's PGM supply originates from Russia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Prophecy's Well Green property is located in Canada's Yukon Territory, a region consistently ranked in the top 10 by the Fraser Institute, a highly respected Canadian mining think tank. With a mining history that dates back to the Klondike gold rush of the late 19th and early 20th century, treasures of the Yukon are still plentiful, with well-known firms like Kinross, ATEC, and Agnico Eagle Mines continuously engaged in exploration activities. With its superior grades, location, resource base, and expansion potential, the Well Green PGM nickel-copper deposit is very unique and exciting. With the few producing countries unable to keep up with demand, the resulting shortage of platinum and palladium has attracted institutional and private investors looking for quality opportunities in the PGM sector. Independent analysts have taken notice. Prophecy Platinum is closely affiliated with Prophecy Coal. Both Prophecy companies believe in coexisting harmony with nature, which is why all mining projects are developed in compliance with the most stringent and rigorous environmental standards, and through active consultation with stakeholders. Prophecy Platinum's investments in the Yukon further demonstrate our commitment to ecological responsibility and to maintaining strong relationships with local communities, both of which are core values of the company. Demonstrated value, ongoing expansion, maximize potential. Prophecy is dedicated to securing a more prosperous future. The PEA is based on its July 2011 resource estimate completed by Tetra Tech WEA. A 0.22% nickel equivalent cutoff is adopted as constrained by an optimized open pit design. At this cutoff, the Wellgreen project is estimated to contain an indicated resource of 14.4 million tons at 0.68% nickel, 0.62% copper, and 2.23 grams per ton platinum, palladium, and gold grade. In addition, the Wellgreen project is estimated to contain an inferred resource of 446.6 million tons at 0.31% nickel, 0.25% copper, and 0.87 grams per ton platinum, palladium, and gold grade. The open pit was designed using a two-stage approach. In the first stage, an optimum pit shell was identified using the Lurks-Grossman LG pit optimization method. In the second stage, phase mining and production schedules were developed, equipment selections were performed, and the capital and operating costs were estimated. Financial calculations were then calculated based on the preceding outputs. A PEA should not be considered to be a pre-feasibility or feasibility study, as the economics and technical viability of the project has not been demonstrated at this time. The PEA is preliminary in nature and includes inferred mineral resources that are considered too speculative geologically to have the economic considerations applied to them that would enable them to be categorized as mineral reserves. Furthermore, there is no certainty that the PEA will be realized. Mineral resources that are not mineral reserve do not have demonstrated economic viability.